Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy causes, power and cables. Unplug the monitor and PC for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This clears residual charge and resets internal firmware. Next, inspect the video cable and connectors for bends, corrosion, or loose pins. Reseat both ends firmly. If the ghosting persists, swap to a different cable or port to determine whether the issue is the cable, monitor input, or the graphics output. Once connections are confirmed, focus on software and image processing. Set the display to its native resolution and the highest supported refresh rate because mismatch settings introduce persistence and smear. Update your graphics drivers and check for monitor firmware updates. Outdated firmware can mismanage pixel timing. Then, disable image processing options, motion blur, dynamic contrast, or an aggressive overdrive setting, because these can create ghosting. Test changes one at a time so you know which adjustment fixes the problem. You finish by verifying physical panel health and isolating hardware faults. Run a pixel response or ghosting test pattern at different brightness and contrast levels to see if ghosting improves. This helps identify retention versus electronics faults. If available, test the monitor with another computer or try a different GPU to pinpoint the failing device. If ghosting remains after these steps, gather model, serial number, and a short video of the issue. Then contact the manufacturer for warranty repair or replacement. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.